August ni som sang ni som ni paruk ani voina Mizoram Public Service Commission laka lungoy lo na lantir na MZP10 an naya hey Jharkhand Public Service Commission na an chairman kalsuakta pulal biak kluang khiang te hi CID lampang lo man velet mai ni Jharkhand na mahianin zirlaite lungoy lo na lantir na anasakhop maya police ten yan po ni Norboy viaw ni tura niya heti lahi kanon riek anga tichuanin heta police na mizo pa an man lal biak luang khiang te ti hi July ni somni pani khan Jharkhand Public Service Commission na chairman ani na tangin alobang to ani tin napoi mo taktak alo chel to wa hemi ma hian ni napoi mo taktak chanvo poi mo taktak hey District Magistrate Bihara chonin Deputy Development Commissioner Chief Electoral Officer of Jharkhand District General Administrative Training Institute chuan Chief Secretary of Jharkhand hi December sang hi somni pathuma tanga October sang hi somni pali ti chuan Chairman Jharkhand Public Service Commission February 2025 atanga July 2026 kum khatle achan vedonvel Jharkhand Public Service Commission a hianin chairman ni na alo chel to ani India Today hian an ron posa heta hianin 14 Civil Services Examination engemo buaina kai hnoya hianin lal biak luanga khiang te pulal biak luanga khiang te hi an man ni na langani ama po news kalau chiar to na chuanin heti an man ma hianin voitam takhi police te hian an ko to a darkar sari darkar ruk a reizet te hi zona an lo zot ni in alanga empo ni se ka hriat thei china chuanin pulal biak luanga khiang te hi chuanin police te hi a tho pui thang reng khop maya an ko in akal zata tin midang anga han tlan chiat biruk vel poi atum lem chuang lawa ama hi chonin July ni somni pani khan fer taka chui chu ani theina turatan kanina tang hianin kabang mayange atia tiang khanin thilalom to amaro chu police tena an man chan India Today na aron tarlan hi thildik ani chuanin hey khiangte had faced questions over the empanelment of TDPL, a blacklisted company, to conduct the examination. Ti aniya exam pakhat conductor hianin company an blacklist pakhat TDPL hi lo empanel ni in alang ani hey hi India Today hi neron posa hey hi thodik ani le ni lo kan la shalawa tin ama hi at hiam lo nge ai nam hnoi viau nge po la she chuang lawani tuna ri chuan mo ten an la chui me ka amaro chu police tena an ko wa hetianga an dop te mayang dop po ni che chuang lawan interrogate an interrogate khatianga thuan han zo fian ho khan hetiang hian CID lampang hian an han man ta chuan in news chen khatina an tarlan dan chuanin a passport te po an man sak ti te kha ania kha khathu dik ani nge ni lo chu ka hre chuang lamaro chu news te khan an ron puang miawa chuanin tuna hianin JSSC CGL aspirants ten Jharkhand pumpuya hianin tuna hianin lungoi lo nan lantir me ka Cockroach Janta Party te po Delhi lampang atang hin angkal pheidon ni na langatin Cockroach Janta Party ina protest an nei lion news lo report hin te khang teng te po kha tuna hianin Jharkhand lama hianin an tle pheivek mai ani khatiang vel kha Jharkhand boruak ania alian rem khomai tuna hianin Jharkhand boruak hi tuna hianin an protest tak hi in han en hawa.
We begin with the unfolding situation in Jharkhand, and the Jharkhand CID has arrested former JPSC chairperson El Kyangte in connection.
Anron report vetat wayan hian ka fai khat ngai thak na nian report do lo mo ka te ani pa non report thlat mai
with alleged irregular
El Kyangte lal pulal bik long Kyangte an man ti kha wayon lampang po hian in anron report ane
in recruitment exams. Kyangte's arrest comes amid the JSSC aspirants' protest in Ranchi. A CID team took Kyangte from his official residence.
Ani zilai te chuan in CID ina an chui hian du tok lawa CBI hian in chui tel ro sa an tiani CBI chui tel ngei hi Jharkhand aspirants lampang hian in an phut ve tat mai ni hei tulai chu state sang sang hian in lungoi lo na hi na sakhop me zirlai te thalai te sarkar la ka lungoi lo na Delhi a oma hei tunlai ate po MPSC siam thadu na hei alien em ni hei Jharkhand apo Jharkhand Public Service Commission laka lungoi lo na hi Mizoram te ai chuanin alanas ang rengkhop maya Mizoram te chu nep te la ni nep te Mizoram te chu mo hei Jharkhand lampang te chu police te an lo in nora tear gas te chuanin water cannon te chuan eng silai ngen man kha paintball guns kan ti ang ji te hi then mang
groups are demanding a full independent CBI probe into the JSSC CGL exam and broader reforms for both the councils.
JPSC เสียมชัดเตปอันดูนี่หัวลำจาร์คันลำปังโปหัวมั้งจาร์คันจังเฮียนินทวีประคันเมียเรียดกันเนี่ยอันนี้พอเฮียนินสวยทรีนะป่วยชักลุตุกที่อธิเวไม่ทรีนะเองมาฮิตเตลเดียวเฮียนสวยดูแล้วมาเราจู่เฮตียงนิวส์เวลาจาร์คันจิรไลเตลุงออยแล้วนะกันหันมูอาจินะฮิจวนนินกษัตริย์เทียมวิวมาลุงออยแล้วนะโปค่ะเทรนป้าโปค่ะเฮียนี่จาร์คันรันชีอินเดียส่วนนี้ทิลปักขัดจู่ให้ Gen Z ได้ยิงเฮียนี่ฟอร์มอันเดียมั้ง FOMO fear of missing out ทิลอีเวนต์เลียนทำได้ไหมเฮงเมกเตลเวลเรานะตีนหันสวยทำไมล่ะกันสวยเฟียวิวินกันริงFOMOอันเดียเฮมีฮี Gen Z ได้เฮียนี่นั้นในปักขัดเวริมใช่ไหมจู่ฟังส่วนนี้คิดอย่างจาร์คันซิร์ไลแอสไพเรนส์เตอินลุงออยโลนะอันตีร์อันลันตีร์ Gen Z ตั้มตักเตปโอเฮียนี่แค่มี FOMO ฟังเตปโอคานินอันรอนเตลเวแต่พอตีละกันสวยสวยทุยลุตุกระวังขัดยังอวังเตลเวแต่พอขันขัดยังสองขันหันดาตายละ
Earlier, thousands of job aspirants in Jharkhand took to the streets as the protests against alleged irregularities in various recruitment exams entered the 17th day. Dramatic scenes displayed on the streets of Ranchi.
Atira hatwan mo, Cockroach Janta Party Delhi Jantar Mantara protest. An protest cover tu te zinga mi pakhat kha Instagram a hianin kalo en ve thina khanu kha Jharkhand a hena vakal ve ani hitiang khianin Jharkhand a zirlai lungoi lo te hi assembly lampanin ting hian angkal pheya atira kha chuanin police te khanin lo dan tu ma se police te na an dan na barricade kan ti ang chi ho kha khang kha asira khanin an nor pheya police te khan an kal tlang tir zela an pal tlang zel mai ani atira kha chuan amaro chu assembly an hnai to lutuk na lama an hnai assembly an hnai tel telaขัดยังอันนี้ไม่ว่าขัดส่วนนี้ police ตะเคียนขัดยังเคียน action อันโลลาอันนี้
as protesters came out with their tricolor and placards, thousands of protesters raised slogans as they marched towards the state assembly, despite heavy security arrangements and police deployment.
เลยละมาส่วนขัดยังที่อาชัดน่าอมเวียชันสุดตัวไหนเฮียนี่ central ลำปางอัน politician แต่พอเฮียนี่ Gen Z กินอีทลาย Gen Z เด้ตอนเฮียมีต้นเสียกเดือดติดนี่ตัวไหนเฮียมั้งเฮียอัฐเวทเอาไหมอาชันจู่ politician ที่เฮียนี่เนี่ยมีต้นโจกตัวนี่เกี่ยมันนี่ด้านรองบอลนี่อันนี้น่าจู่ป่วยหมอฮอบไหมอันนี้น่าจู่ป่วยหมอลุตุกอามาโรจู่อันเชียร์เร่งตัวจู่มีป่วยแต่รองบอลตัวมีป่วยแต่นักการชันชัวขันนี่มีวะ
As the protesters moved closer to the assembly, they tried to break through the police barricades. Security forces responded by using water cannons to disperse the crowd. Police even resorted to baton charge. Visuals show protesters climbing.
Pop mai nia atir kha chuanin mo zirlai te kha police te kha an dang lo an dang hnei lo zirlai te kha ti kha an kal tang tir pop ma se assembly an hnai tela ke ti hian police and water cannon le tiang mangin lo hlap pop mai ne Mizoram voina Mizoram Public Service Commission kota MZP แต่ละ police แต่อันหันนora railing อันหันติเชียแต่ข้าจูเนบแต่อะไรนี่ข้าแต่ข้าจูอะไรเสียเลยตรงนี้ Mizoram จูเฮตียงเนี่ยนะหันแต่ขึ้นจวน
As the situation escalated.
Yeah, 90% students peaceful.
90% of the students were peaceful, but the remaining 10% were unruly.
Zirlai zong za asom kwa 90% vel hichu heng hichu an peaceful khop mai boina po an siam lo chatakin an protest ve maya amaro chu abak 10% takha khang zirlai ho kha boina an siam na sa emani te ni hei hian
They were not listening even to their representatives and were breaking the barricades.
An ma ni zirlai ai o tengei po an thu soide po an ngai thalawa police barricade te tiang khanin an ron ti chia
They have now broken the fourth barricade. We tried our best to restrain the crowd, but 3 policemen were injured in the process. The protesters have also resorted to stone pelting.
Fort barricade na kami han paltang thei talaw ni barricade pakhat na han paltang thei pani na paltang thei pathum na han paltang le thei amaro chu pali na ani to don kha chuanin police ta khen ting hianin action an lo la veta ani police pathum in hliam an tuara hitianga police na la thi church anti hi chuanin protester te jinga po khanin hliam tuara nom nualin ka ringa chuan zirlai te lampang po hianin lung mang te pon police te po hi an vom ve tho ni in alang ane.
Amid the water cannon action, student protesters were also seen dancing. Student leader Devendra Nath Metro, who has been on an indefinite fast for the past 9 days, also joined the protest in an...
Hei an zirlai shroi tu ania ni ko thung chong hei to ni MZ pi shroi tu te hian in cho hi hei ve ula chang an sarkar nordan hian cho hian hei ula effective ve viau mai thei ani.
ambulance. Metro was seen carrying a portrait of former Jharkhand Chief Minister Shibu Soren.
Jharkhand Chief Minister masa thala ke ga da India flag keng boka.
When government put up spiked barricading, despite not being well, I could not stop myself. Is this Pakistan, Bangladesh or China border? These are students.
After multiple rounds of meetings between the student delegation and the government panel, the Hemant Soren government announced several steps to address the concerns of the protesting students. The government has proposed cancelling 3 exams, including 14th JPSC preliminary
exam pathum lo cancel ve ni Jharkhand a hian
examination and the JPSC backlog examinations held in 2023 and last year. Even though
2023 exam le ni koma exam an lo cancel ani chu.
Most of the demands of the protesters were accepted by the Soren government. The CBI investigation into the matter remains the key bone of contention.
CBI te hian chui ro se ti hi Israel te nan duwa abak atam tak hi chu Jharkhand ta Hemant Soren te sarkar hianin Zirlai te dudan hi chun lo pomsak ve thawani amaro chu zirlai te hianin CID chau ni lo kan state sarkar chau ni lo CBI nge hianin he thili ron chui ro se ti hi zirlai te demand ani.
As the deadlock continues over CBI probe, students decided to continue the planned march to the assembly as part of the protest. Amid the controversy of alleged
paintball gun and mangbok police te hian
use of pellet gun during the students' protests in Delhi on July 20th, a video of a security personnel with an alleged pellet gun has gone viral ahead of the Ranchi Assembly March, which led to an uproar of alleged deployment of pellet guns.
Ke tiang hianin barricade atir lampang ho khatu zirlai te hianin an nam tlu mo sira ten nam pheya aron kaltang pop maya.
When asked about the viral video, Ranchi police clarified that a paintball gun is
Ranchi police te hianin pellet gun kan manglo zirlai te kanan paintball gun kan mangani achan chu paintball gun hi chu he silai mang hi chuanin mia ka lum theila phot maina chuanin rong atelani hitiang silaya khian mo chuanin entiran visual chinchhe du bi kan nei kha chuanin mo buai na siam chinchhe du bi kan nei kha chuanin khitiang silai mang ka kha chuanin rong kha dar nuai dona rong adar ba ka khianin an mani taksa hian adur avol tu zelani han taksa hi mo ka khichu na ang reng khop mai mi ka hlum nan chuanin a man thei chuang lova amaro chu midvela han ka fu pal chuanin middel na chan step chu sang veng reng khop mai ni he thila po hi khatiang kha ani Jharkhand lampang pon buai khop mai pulal biak luang khiang te kha ani kha Jharkhand Public Service Commission ex chairman kha CID ten an manbok ani tunai chu India rama hetiang hianin buai na hi na sa ang reng khop mai thalai te lung oi lo na om ve to rang khati zep lo chuan mo thalai te lung oi lo entinan school kalula college kalula na zong ula na thatak in thokanga kha kanu le pate da min hril thin khatuna chonin a thei to lo khatiang khani to lo khatiang khovela hang kan cheng to lo ni mo chu wa chuanin sarkar na le sarkar mamo lem lawa mani kut nge ya mani kut ke in ding thei tu le in hai ko chop thei tu ra zirlai de po hi kan in buat sai chho hi a tul chho vi win ke chonin ka ria san sarkar nai chon min dai dong lo he chu thil chiang sa ni tin mi zong zong hi sarkar na kan ting vek thei don lo bok he chu thil chiang sa ani khata tak khan khongen na kan thawang mo kami kha poi mo khop mai tin sarkar ma mo lawa mani han ding thei tur po hianin ami singa zir te po hi ani ve le boka abui thak ang reng khop mai ni tiang ve hi ni tu lai kan khovel din mun chu mo video lai kan in hule theu do ne